Hi everyone, this is Leon from Scuba Kings Academy. Today's skill is called mask replacement. This is if there's a malfunction with the mask or something's wrong with the mask, you can always go up to a dive professional during a dive and ask for another mask. Here you see Ruby tell everyone to look at him while he performs the mask replacement skill. He breathes in very calmly and he is staying in neutral buoyancy. He fills water into his mask before taking it off. Ruby here is making sure that the nose pocket in the mask is facing down so that you can properly put it on. You'll see here Ruby showing that no hair is in the mask, and he holds the two top corners of the mask and exhales the nose while looking up. Here you'll see Amaya perform the skill as well. And she does the skill perfectly. Some common errors that people make. Here you'll see Omer perform the skill as well. He adds water to the mask and he slowly takes it off. He puts it back on, but leaves a lot of hair in the mask. Now Ruby here reminds him to clear the mask from his hair. Here you'll see Annabelle perform the skill as well. She adds water first, then slowly takes it off. You'll see that she puts the mask on upside down. Ruby's showing the nose pocket on the mask to make sure that it's on the right way. And she puts it on and clears it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you guys next time.